Hello guys, if you want to set up a Logitech G29 or G920 steering wheel on PC for Forza Horizon 6, then let me quickly show you how to do it. So the first thing you want to do is head over to the Logitech's website and download the Logitech G Hub software. Once you open the website, go to the software section and from there you can download G Hub for Windows or Mac if that's what you use. After installing it, connect your steering wheel to your PC and launch the G Hub app. In most cases, the app will immediately detect the wheel and you'll probably see a firmware update available. If you do, make sure to install it first. Just press the update button, confirm the installation and then follow the instructions shown inside the app. Usually, it will ask you to unplug the USB cable from the wheel and then reconnect it again so the firmware update can continue properly. Once the update finishes, your wheel should be ready to use. Now inside the Logitech app, you can also customize a few important settings for the wheel itself. On the left side, you should see options for things like steering sensitivity, operating range, centering spring strength, and a few pedal settings as well. You can also adjust the sensitivity for each pedal individually, and if you want to, you can even combine the pedals together. Personally, I usually leave most of these settings fairly simple at first and then adjust them later after testing the wheel in-game. Now after launching the game, the steering wheel should start working almost immediately. At first, I recommend just driving around for a few minutes and checking if all the controls feel correct. If some buttons or inputs are not set properly, then open the settings menu in the game, go to controls, then change input mapping, switch over to wheel, and from there you can manually adjust the controls if needed. Besides that, there are also a few gameplay settings that are definitely worth changing, especially if you are new to steering wheels. For example, if you want to use the clutch pedal properly, then make sure shifting is set to manual with clutch. If you are still getting used to driving with a wheel, you can also turn on traction control and maybe stability control as well, just to make the cars a little easier to handle while learning. Then if you go into advanced controls, you will find a lot more wheel related settings near the bottom. This includes things like force feedback scale, steering sensitivity, center spring scale, and several other options. In my case, these settings feel pretty decent already, but honestly, this part mostly comes down to personal preference. Everyone likes a slightly different feel on the wheel. For example, personally, I never use center spring strength in almost any racing game, so I normally keep that turned off completely here as well. Another important thing to keep in mind is the steering rotation angle inside Logitech G Hub. You can adjust the maximum steering angle there depending on what feels best to you. Personally, I usually use around 540 degrees, but a lot of people also prefer 720 degrees or even the full 900 degrees rotation. So you can test a few different values and see what feels the most comfortable for your driving style. And yeah, that's basically it. Hopefully this helped you get your Logitech wheel set up properly. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.